Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, 6th April, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends and stocks to watch before the markets open. On Thursday, U.S. markets ended mixed after a late recovery, with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 inching higher, while the Dow closed marginally lower. Volatility remained high as oil prices surged above $110 amid escalating geopolitical tensions, keeping investors cautious. Asian markets opened mixed on Monday, with Japan's Nikkei gaining around 1.7% and South Korea's Kospi rising about 2.3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng slipped about 0.7% amid cautious sentiment. Rising geopolitical tensions and surging oil prices continue to keep global sentiment volatile. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 22,750, thereby indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain sharply elevated above $110 per barrel as escalating Middle East tensions and disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz continue to threaten global supply. Gold prices are slightly under pressure as rising bond yields and a stronger dollar weigh on bullion, although safe haven demand from geopolitical risks is limiting deeper downside. Emami has announced a deal to acquire the remaining 73.5% stake in Axiom Ayurveda, taking full control of the company in a phased manner over the next 3 months. The total deal value stands at up to 200 crore rupees, strengthening Emami's presence in the Ayurveda and wellness segment. Rail Vikas Nigam has secured a 242.5 crore rupees order from South Central Railway for upgrading overhead electrification systems. The project involves transitioning to a more efficient 2 by 25 kV system, boosting rail infrastructure in the Vijayawada division. Tata Motors PV subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover reported a strong 61.1% jump in quarter-on-quarter sales, with 95,300 units sold in the March quarter. However, on a year-on-year basis, sales declined by 14.5%, indicating mixed demand trends. Given the mixed opening of the Asian markets and a mixed close for the U.S. markets on Thursday, a flat opening is expected for Nifty. This was also due to no new dramatic escalations in the Middle East conflict as the markets begin to price the war in. Trading for the next couple days will be a balance between RBI-MPC meet outcome and elevated crude oil prices. Supports for today will be at 22,630, followed by 22,470, while resistances will be at 22,900 followed by 23,115. Rising crude oil prices, FII outflows, and geopolitical tensions are keeping Indian markets volatile and under pressure. However, strong DII support and any easing in oil prices or global tensions could drive a short-term recovery. On Thursday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 9,931 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 7,208 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 6, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.